Now, the loss of infrastructure talks about poor results that come up about due to loss of supporting infrastructure. When the organization loses its supporting infrastructure, we focus on that. When an organization loses its supporting infrastructure, then there will be poor results generated by the systems. So supporting infrastructure is lost, resulting into poor results. Now those results are generated by the systems in that particular organization. Another terminology that we are supposed to talk about here is denial of service. Denial of service. This is a security threat. In organizations, we normally have legitimate users are supposed to access the resources of the organization. But we have people who will configure software to protect or to block legitimate users from accessing the data that belongs to them. So denial of service talks about use of software routines to deny or block legitimate users. From accessing data. That is what we call denial of service. If, for example, I have users in an organization, they want to access, students want to access the assignment that is uploaded onto the server. A malicious person can set up software or configure software to block these users or the legitimate users from accessing the data. That is what we call denial of service. So any explanation in this case, the question is differentiate. Differentiate does not mean in this case that the points are matchable. It is just asking the student to give a brief description of what each of those concepts mean.